Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the first of the four-part unboxing of my collective luxury haul, and I hope you enjoy this video. The order in which I'm doing them is actually no particular order. I just want to use this one first. Where I work, we have a locker room, and we get to place our items in a locker, but some of us have to share with other people, which is fine. I have a great locker partner. Actually, I call her my sweet mate. She's so sweet. But it's limited room. So I like to keep the items on the smaller side. I do live in Michigan, so we wear like bulky clothes to and from work. I do change when I get there. So we have our coats, our clothes, and what have you. So yeah, so I needed something a little bit more compact for work. So I chose this pretty little bag here. This was purchased the day after Thanksgiving on a Black Friday sale. I'm not usually an online shopper. I don't usually shop online, and I received an email for Coach that said there was a 50% off. I'm like, well, I can look at it. I do need a purse for work. And this is one of the first items that popped up. It's called the Kislock Dreamer 21, and it's black leather with quilting and rivets. It's really cute, and when I went to place the order, they couldn't find it anywhere, and they looked and looked and looked, and finally there was one Coach store in Maryland. I don't know exactly which one it was, and they did have a black available. I talked to the SA, and because I wasn't there to inspect it myself, and she said, nope, it didn't even, basically we just got it out of the box, we put it to the side, we haven't even brought it to the floor yet. I'm like, okay, that's gonna work for me. So she said to me, the Postal Service already picked up today, so we won't send it out till Monday. I'm like, that's fine, I'm in absolutely no rush, that's fine. The next thing you know, I come home from work Monday, I hear a knock at my door, and this little cute purse was waiting for me. So I have been so excited to open it up. So what I did today is I took the address off, because nobody really needs to know where I live, and I cut the tape, and I'm going to pull this out and show you what it looks like. It's really cute. Box. Here's the receipt. I'm going to push this out of the way. It's over here, actually. Oh, this is really cute. This is how it came wrapped. With a pretty little, like, kind of like red burgundy bow with the signature horse and carriage. It's really cute. Their boxes have improved a little bit too from the last time I purchased a Coach. And it's a very small purse actually, but it's quite spacious inside. And it is very small. It's a small crossbody, but I really don't take that much to work with me anyways. I just need it for a little bit of makeup, my driver's license, things like that. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, wow. Oh, she's right, it was spacious. Oh, this is really cute. It's actually a lot cuter than I thought. Wow. Okay, let's unwrap it. much embellishment there. Oh, these handles are really cute. So this is a black leather, and it's quilted, and it has the little rivets throughout. It has one spacious pocket here, and 2 slip pockets on the right and the left side, or the front or the back. I guess you could put like receipts or like a cell phone. I don't know if you want to put keys in there, but it's really cute. Oh, that is really cute. It's actually cuter than I thought. They had it packaged very well, actually. And they have the strap attached. Okay, well, let's see what this looks like. Alright, I'm going to attach it real quick just to see how. That's really cute. Oh, I really like it. It's kind of like old-fashioned, antique. I'm a very modern person, and I like pretty much everything modern. But for this purse, for some reason, I just thought it was so cute. And I just kind of remember my grandmother having a purse like this, and she would come over and I'd say, "Grandma, do you have any mints?" And she's like, "Yeah, in my purse, go get some." And I just thought it was so cute. It reminds me of my grandma's purse. Let me get this out of the way. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let me take these out as well. Okay, so basically this purse has I don't know if you can see it, a compartment there, probably for like money, credit cards, important documents, and then it appears like another card holder right here. I don't know if you can see that. This is really, really cute. It looks like it's going to fit more than enough. It's going to have more than enough room. Please excuse my dog, Bella. She's like running around having a good time because I'm home today. I believe this purse was in the 500s, and I paid $275, and with tax it came to $291.50. So it was 50% off. So this is really, really, really cute. I'm very happy with it. You can carry it in a hand way, or you can carry it crossbody, and the straps are adjustable. It looks pretty sturdy. It's really cute. It is really, really cute. I cannot wait to wear this. So I gotta go shopping tomorrow, grocery shopping. I guess we'll wear that grocery shopping, and then I can wear it to work on Monday. Yeah, it's really cute. I'm very impressed. Oh, look at it. Little feet on the bottom. How cute. Well, so I guess one of my next videos after this series is done is what can you fit in this purse? So yeah, I look forward to doing that next. But as for right now, I think it's cute. I'm very pleased so far. I'll have to do a further review later when I get to wear it and get some use out of it. And expect the other 3 videos to be coming shortly. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'm really enjoying this. And I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.